Welcome, human biology students. We're in week 2 of our course. By now, most of you should have posted your introductions in the discussion board for week 1. I've read through a lot of them, and it sounds like we have an interesting, diverse group. A lot of you are in the social work field, so that's exciting. You're going to have lots of things that you can apply from this course into the social work field, so I'm pretty excited about that. I want to be sure that everybody is getting online and working through our course. Be sure you look under the assignments tab. We are in week 2 now. So week 2 is the chemistry of life. And if you click on this folder, of course, underneath each folder, it's going to tell you what's due and when it's due. So we have things due next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's the repetitive pattern for our class. If we click on week 2, we go in here in the lecture folder. There's a lecture video covering the content from the notes packet. We have our homework that you're going to click on here, and it takes you to the McGraw-Hill website, but you're going to access it here in our Blackboard course on this link. And then when you're done, you're going to take the lecture quiz. So 3 things to complete while watching the videos, doing the homework, and taking the quiz. And then if we go back to our weekly folder, click on the lab folder. We have a little introduction about the scientific method. You click on this, again, it takes you to the McGraw-Hill website. You're going to do a lab, a Learn Smart lab on the scientific method, and then there's a lab quiz. So all of these things are going to be due early next week. Again, if you go to our folder and look at this under assignments, it gives you the date and the time of when each of these things are due. So it's not when you start the material, it's when you have completed the material. So be sure that you're working on in this folder throughout the week this week, so you're not rushing to get things in the minute before it's due, because that's going to set you up for struggling a bit and rushing through the assignments, and that's not ideal for learning. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask, but I look forward to seeing your discussion board posts this week. We have a new discussion board for week 2 related to our topic, and this week's topic is going to be the ketogenic diet. Have a great rest of your week.